Alright guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Olani Emmanuel once again, and today I'm going to be telling you about dropshipping business. Yes, the ultimate guide to dropshipping business in 2023. Okay, so what do you need to know about dropshipping business if you're going to be starting the business in 2023? Now, in this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and necessary things you need to know about dropshipping business, and then you can actually start in 2023. Now, for instance, if you've heard of dropshipping business or you've not heard of dropshipping business before, or this will be the first time you're going to be hearing about dropshipping business, how do you start dropshipping business? And what are the necessary guides, facts, and strategies you can use? I want to tell you the strategies and steps you need to take when you want to start dropshipping business in 2023. Alright, so now starting dropshipping business in 2023, trust me, if you have the money and you have the capital to start the business, it's a good thumbs up for you. So now, dropshipping business, what does it entail? Dropshipping business is just you selling a product without selling the product and delivering it to your customers. You get a simple strategy. All you have to do is this: you get a product, sell it to your customer without having direct access to the product. That means all you have to take note when you start dropshipping business is this: you have to just find a way to source for a product. Now, not just picking a product anyhow or just going to the website and picking a product. You need to source for problem-solving products. That means if you're sourcing for problem-solving products, what are the things you need to take into consideration? Look at the market trend, look at the market research, conduct your research, and try to look at, okay, what should I import or what should I sell that will solve my customer's problem? What can I import that will solve this set of problems? That means the first thing you need to take note as guide to dropshipping in 2023 is identification of problem. That means if you can identify people's problem, then you should be able to solve the problem. Then number two is this: get a legit supplier. Now, you can get your supplier from anywhere. You can get a supplier from Alibaba, AliExpress, or every other Chinese website. That means once you get your supplier, the supplier must be able to supply products for you. The supplier must be able to deliver all the product, and the supplier must be able to dropship the product to any part of the country. Get to know more about the product. That means you already pick a product, you have a supplier, know more about the product. Is it customization? Is it weight? Is it quantity? Just know every information you need to know about the product, get necessary information. Now, number four part of it that you need to know about dropshipping business is set up your online presence. That means people need to know you sell those products. People need to know you have this product for sale, and people need to know that, oh, you can actually solve this particular problem for them. And if you're going to be solving this problem, what are the things you need to note? Setting your online presence is very, very important. Like setting your Instagram page, your Facebook page, your Google page, Google My Business page, and also don't forget to run ads. Now, another thing you need to take note as a dropshipper is you need to learn how to automate your business. Now, automation is very, very important. And how can you bring up automation in 2023? Automation comes in the sense that you have to set up a website. You don't have to be there every time to attend to your customer's order. You just have to have your website, and from your website, people can place order for the product. Now, that thing you need to take note for 2023, if you're a dropshipper, is that you need to find a way to build trust. Now, if you're going to be selling products to anybody, trust has to set in. You need to build trust, and best way of building trust is offer valuable content. Let people know if they're buying this product, it's really worth buying. They won't have to waste their money, and also let them have a simple customer journey. And the last part that I want you to take note in order to make massive profit in your dropshipping business is this: run sponsored ads. Yes, people need your products, but you need the right marketing strategy in order to get across to this set of customers. And if you're going to be getting across to them, you need to run sponsored ads, either Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, or any type of ad. Just make sure you run ads. And if you're going to be running ads, take note, you need to have a good ad budget, you need to have good online presence, and also you need to be able to nurture your audience. Don't run ads when you can't nurture the audience. And at the end, if you run ads, bring in email marketing. That means for every customer that visits your website, whether they place order or they don't place order, find a way to get their mail. Now, after getting their mail, you can start nurturing. And also, what else? Profit start rushing in. I hope you learn from this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.